Welcome to BIR Matters Guide. Ang videong ito ay regarding sa deadline ng pag-submit ng mga attachments ng Annual Income Tax Return for Taxable Year 2025. Base sa nilabas ng BIR na Revenue Memorandum Circular number 30-2026 regarding sa extended deadline na May 15, 2026, sabi dito, in view of the issuance of Executive Order number 110 is 2026, declaring a state of national energy emergency and authorizing the Unified Package for Livelihoods, Industry, Food, and Transport, and in order to give taxpayers additional time to properly file their 2025 annual income tax returns, pay the corresponding taxes due thereon, and submit the required attachments without the imposition of penalties, particularly at a time when the effects of rising oil prices are being felt, this circular is hereby issued to extend the deadline for such filing, payment, and submission from April 15, 2026 to May 15, 2026. Base po dito, ang filing ng annual income tax return, payment of income tax, at submission of attachments to annual income tax returns ay extended until May 15, 2026. Ang medyo malabo po dito sa tatlo ay ang submission ng mga attachments through a AIFEs kasi originally ang deadline niya ay 15 days from online filing or deadline whichever comes later. Bali kung nag-file ka online ng annual income tax return on April 15, ang deadline ng submission naman ng mga attachments like financial statements ay on April 30. Kaso dito po sa extension, sinabi po na ang submission ng attachments ay until May 15, 2026 din. In relation dito, on April 30, 2026, nag-issue ng clarification ng BIR na nasa Revenue Memorandum Circular number 39-2026. Lumalabas dito na kahit sa May 15 po kayo mag-file online ng annual income tax return, May 15 pa din dapat masubmit ang mga attachments sa AAFEs. Bali sa extended deadline ng filing ng annual income tax return, hindi po mag-a-apply ang original deadline ng submission ng attachments na 15 days from online filing or deadline whichever comes later. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.